Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that QQB token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do not research poker investing. According to the website, QQQB is a tokenized bStocks that gives you economic exposure to Invesco QQQ Trust Tokenized bStock and the right to convert the underlying security on the Binance.com platform subject to applicable laws. Each token is fully banned by the corresponding underlying equity maintained by the user at a US regulated broker dealer. They get the price movement, dividends, and right to convert the market. One receive one to the underlying share tradable to 24/7. QQB token total supply is around 1.7 thousand and circulating supply is also 1.76 thousand. QQB token is listed on Binance, PancakeSwap and other exchanges. If I say my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chance is that it is a legit project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. We are on research for the investing. Thanks for watching.